a type of yoga that promotes balance in a person's body. Some yogas are more active than some, like Yang, which is active, and Yin, which is passive. Yang yoga focuses on working your body's muscle tissues, while Yin yoga focuses on deeper connected tissues like tendons, fascia, and ligaments. The main difference between Yin yoga and other types of yoga practice is the amount of time you hold each asana or posture. With more dynamic forms of yoga like Vinyasa flow, you only hold each asana for 5 to 10 breaths and continually move in and out of different poses. In Yin yoga, you hold each pose for 3 to 10 minutes, allowing the deeper, less flexible tissues in your body the time to stretch, rather than strengthening your muscles as other forms of yoga do. Yin yoga is more likely to improve your overall flexibility and range of motion. Yin yoga also requires conscious and controlled breathing, often emphasized by relaxed belly breathing. This intimate practice encourages yogis to connect with their physical self, emotions, and sensations.